Lemon cake is easily one of my most favorite cake recipes to bake and also to eat. The next time you intend to bake a lemon cake, you need to bear all of this in mind. Make sure to watch till the very end because I'm going to be sharing with you all a bonus trick that is the absolute deal breaker. Number 1, balance the lemon juice and the baking soda. This is because both of these ingredients are acidic and you need to get the balance correctly so your cake isn't too sour or even bitter, right? This can be done by pairing both before use, so simply mix both together prior to use inside of your batter. Now, don't be tempted to increase your lemon juice without adjusting your dry ingredients. This is so you can avoid a dense cake result. Use your lemon zest. Now, lemon juice alone is never enough to give that real flavor needed in your lemon cake recipe. You'd need to use your freshly grated lemon skin zest to release its natural oils that give the cake the correct and intense aroma and fragrance that gives you the perfect flavor. Now, don't overmix butter. Avoid this step especially for oil-based cakes as this to prevent activating the gluten in the butter and then making your cake recipe turn out rubbery or soggy. Make till just combine and stop immediately. Now the bonus tip is for every batter of your lemon cake recipe, ensure to add a tablespoon of thick Greek unsweetened yogurt, alright, to give it that extra soft and moist crumb that will remain irresistible to both you and your clients.